Hello, I am Rajat. This is the given passage. The question is, the glut of lawyers is partly responsible implies that. Solution. Now if we take reference from the passage, first, the second statement which says, the glut of lawyers is partly responsible for the fact that no less than 7 million suits were filed last year. Suits by all kinds of people for all kinds of redress. After going through the options, we can say that the reference from the passage best implies option 2 as the correct one. In the face of a tough competition for survival, it is in the interest of lawyers to provoke lawsuits at the drop of a hat. Other options sound absurd and they are ruled out. So the correct answer is option number 2. Answer is option 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Rajat. This is the given passage. The question is, lawyers are hoist with their own petard because. Solution. The idiom in the question means to fall in one's own trap, and the lawyers fall into their own trap because they themselves are increasingly facing malpractices charges. And the reference can also be taken from the last few lines of the passage, which says, it was lawyers who encouraged malpractice suits, and now the lawyers are hoist with their own petard. According to a reasonable estimate, one lawyer out of every 10 is either sued or threatened with a suit by his client for negligence or malpractice. So we can conclude that option 4, which says lawyers themselves are increasingly facing malpractice charges, matches with the idea conveyed in this part. So our answer is option 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Rajat. This is the given passage. The question is, recalcitrant child implies. Solution. Recalcitrant means obstinately disobedient. In the options, we can directly see option 2 which says determinedly disobedient. This is the literal meaning of the word recalcitrant. So other options can be safely discarded and we can mark option 2 as the correct answer. So answer is option 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Rajat. This is the given passage. The question is, according to author, law and litigation have become a sport for Americans. This is a matter of. Solution. Now, the answer is option 3, which says design. The reason for this is the lawyers themselves want more number of cases to enhance their practice. The lawyers have created this themselves. So it is by design and not by any awareness, chance or capitalism. So option 3, design, fit in. Answer is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Rajat. This is the given passage. The question is, the term sport for law and lawsuits implies. Solution. We see the options, we find none of the options other than 4 can be inferred out from the passage. Option 4 which says there is no seriousness of purpose behind most of the litigation. Other options which say Americans enjoy moving the courts, it is inappropriate. Most of the lawsuits are entertaining, it is absurd. People take recourse to litigation over trivia, it is also inappropriate. So we can safely mark answer 4 as the correct one. Answer is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.